Another guitar book, Handmade Music Factory, and we're gonna make the soup can diddly bow. Okay, I got my can, a piece of wood or 1.5 inches wide by 30 inches long. I'm gonna use this little brass threaded thing for the nut. I got a tuner, couple of screws to hold the can onto the board, and the screws for the tuner. Don't want to lose those. A string. I got lots of guitar strings laying around. Here we'll do a quick sketch of what it might look like when we're done with it. This gives me a little visualization of where I'm headed. Getting this marked up so I can cut the 1.5 inch wide and 30-inch long neck. I used the skill saw, but I didn't catch that footage. But make sure you use your safety gear. Here we use a number 4 plane to smooth it out. Pour my parts into a little cup so I don't misplace them. Now we'll get this marked up so we can position it and start getting the holes drilled and screw the can onto the board. This little spring punch thing, actually it just poked through by itself. That was handy. That's enough. This actually works. I got a little 16-penny nail, and that pokes it through. I actually put it on backwards the first time around. You want the bottom of the can facing the neck and hanging over about 1 inch. So I redid the screws and got them started, and then we'll finish putting them in. So I use a permanent marker to position where the string goes. It's about 1 inch up from the fretboard. So we got a small hole. Now we'll get ready to put the tuning key in. It's a used key from a broken guitar. Adding a little bit of an angle, like a headstock, just with the belt sander. Then we'll line that in there. Call it a 24-inch scale to where we're going to cross with the nut. And I'm also going to do a slight notch because this little nut needs to sit flush on here, and it'll keep it from rolling around too. I think it's like a D. There we go. I don't know what we'll tune it to. Let's tune it to a G. There we go. And then we get a slide. I got it tuned to G. So I was building a Canjo out of a stick and an old vegetable can. Before you click away, as I riff out on this thing in another little video clip, you can click on one of these links up here to see more videos on guitar building from the Angry Mushroom Emporium. Yeah, we'll talk next time. Here we go.
that one.